have to drop the anchor for whatever reason.
It's not often you guys anchor because you're back and forth. Charlevoix, Beaver Island. Back and forth, back and forth.
Take that out.
This is a hawse pipe, right?
Yep. You want to take the devil's claw off, so you also need.
So that's the devil's claw chain stopper.
Right.
Right. So this is like a multiple, how many people would you have? If you were like, we need to drop the anchor, you'd have a guy that knows this system come down here and do this. You'd have somebody.
One person can do it. Of course, we'd have someone, we'd have communication, we got radio.
Handheld VHFs.
Yeah.
We got those boxes all around.
Plus the phone right there, which can be on hands-free. And you can hear through.
Okay, gotcha.
I think so, yeah. Those guys too.
So, all right, so now we'll bring the anchor back up. There.
There you go.
Now.
What do you call this thing? A gypsy or a just a windlass?
Yeah, anchor windlass. Are the flukes turned the right way? We got to make sure that.
If the flukes are turned out or in, makes a difference. If they're in, they'll hit the ship.
Right.
If they're out, they'll rest.
Come right up like they're supposed to.
You got the chain, you got the windlass.
Pop it up for just a second.
Devil's claw chain stopper, turnbuckle. Right here, you got the recessed grooves called whelps.
Yeah, right. Start here.
So that's the clutch, and you're taking all the strain off the clutch. It's staying on this devil's claw chain stopper and the
Well,
brake.
The brake got it.
The
stopped.
so the brake is the main brake, and then the devil's claw is just it's like a
Redundancy.
super mechanical redundant system. Open.
Yeah, all the anchor chains in this.
Oh, gotcha. So this big box has about 400 feet of chain in it, you said?
Yes.
And here's the hose pipe and the controls, the brake, electric motor. And then you guys stuff it full of like
Foam.
so critters don't come up and
Well, critters and water when we're out in the big sea.
Gotcha.
We've got freight packed up here.
Then you're riding low in the water and a big wave is gonna come up above that height.
Let's do a quick review of what we saw in this video. Lowering the anchor. Remove the retaining bolt and the hawse pipe cover plate. Remove the devil's claw chain stopper by easing off the turnbuckle. Disengage the clutch. Slowly ease the brake to let the chain anchor rod out. Check the speed at which the chain anchor rod pays out by working the brake. To raise the anchor, engage the clutch. Take off the brake. Bring in the chain anchor rod with the windlass. Ensure the anchor flukes are pointed out before bringing it up to the bottom of the hawse pipe. To secure the anchor once it's in place, replace the devil's claw chain stopper and tighten the turnbuckle. Engage the brake, disengage the clutch, and replace the hawse pipe cover plate and the retaining bolt.